Karibu mwancho mwori libwen soko TV nko kwania andosi asore asomo gorobobo na seri tukeri ya merongevere na kabere asomo tinyo gatano mwaka bwechile fuibere merongevere na gatano na rimu kugena kwane kuna kwagendere bya aseri tukorigima asemero bere yago ase ubunchirya asemero na andosi aso gendra tukubate soko TV kuro Chinsa Ikomi nebere chike mambi keraboni kana inde cyaragere Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugorobe ngakyuka enyora Amayia asenchira iyo bwenge bana basikibaito bayariganire bose boyigo bagendera twiyarigania asomo goroba obono irikwene kiebuna kwe manyura yagendrete ayaitre na boigo ayara chikubwate tsangaso bwamo wetera senchira yo mutandao wekerera Facebook robiga sensemeria YouTube and Soko TV erietariane Ishmael Mogere. Somo chakano mugoroba bono abantu bare no bare makuru ase ensemo yebunge ya North Mogrango nigo kobo mubate birenga aso mwaka w'echili fubere 25 na kabere nigo bara chiko choro mubunge uriyo gucha kurigereria amagani abo aso bwagare bagukwana sege karono yo kurigekero kyobo bunge bwa North Mogrango monyekero nere Joseph Kiangoi Ombasa aso mucho chabera ase wodi ya Bokera nigo kobo mubate birubuna ati bara inyorwa aso kwegwa chikonda emiremo amonechi basari korengana buna ekatiba eko teba niga sensemo yaye Joseph Kiangoi ateberenga na che kwegerera abare no barema karachoriwe omwaka w'echili fuibere emerongo ebere na gatano na kabere buno mubunge bwensemo ya bunge ya North Mogrange County ne ya Nyamira
asengencho North Mogrange yairanire magega samangana amange oburayo bobe oboneri borororo transparency etayo Kiangoi narente transparency ase North Mogrango
ekyagera jumba wange bagocha twanyora nk'abaremavu kero kende barangiria abantu twanyora ekero bakogenda gusino n'ogochioko iyo konyora tugutachwa twa ndogoikera
titora inyorwa bona kiye kogerera totebine nachi kobaga gutoinyora na intu tocho inyororo ase konde gakare na intu twabarworo buna inchomere mabu naenda naigwe konde ine nje nakore kere na nje nanyora ginto geke nakonyera abana baneka muchumba karangiria abantu tokoenda ororo bona buna intu kwanyara ugutacherunsi gona bogo kuomete lakini bona lero tebirere uikentua chiko tuatana na kanda abatoregete turabarema tobeku kando na aba bale buya na baru babere chinsemo chiabo kando
amangana yose bukiago yatebirie na intu bara intu batebie ekegera arekanine na chinchie North Mogrango umuremavu amaita imuremavu tomaige tungunya sa tungu tomotoligo na intu mwe abantu bali se community intu echaya toremereranie
abantu bamintu. I am very proud of you as members of our society. Nima itnega small karene ndene mono. Nima itena mugende kurwana chi family chenyu. Na una muntu ndibwesha kurwana chi family chia yaye na ingakia ne karongo swahili. Ingakia ne karongo swahili. Ni a special account na mutagete more or upon you more. That's why in the government na there. Ego te wana 30% ya contracts chibara yenda sabantu abalema.
Asense mwende mwasenate we county ya Nyamira Kongo Mogeni nigasabiro mugavara we county ya Kisi Paul Simbarati kubwatesia Daktari Freddy Matiang'i aseganga yayo kurigekero gukyo ibwense chinga kiboigo asabire obomo gusi eriku mubwatesia Daktari Freddy Matiang'i nigo boigo amochire oburai gosomora ibwense Daktari William Samuel Ruto ase ogokina kwirigoliria mafuta na boigo asama amochire boigemero biro ya serikali buna oribo bochenu omanyekaine buna sha
bashwaminto ntuna togo tagarra otoroje nga tuachira mubne gisokyo mugusi kenyango tobwate siere twaikire bona se torange kose nyombe riene torete kerugusia ende mukaro to musa muchimage ibona kimole kurbo basi mole na intwe bona mbore timu elia matia inje ngwaka na pastelo agro konochi no rio gonjo kanege tiete na kire arombere te bobasi Yona aja na inje ndo linga kurbo basi mole na Dr. Freddy okemo matiai mutare ko tebyo mwana yo minto ka kinere atike ko ende kutoliba atojoini tole tegende gai todara sie ko marangu mole baje bono moroche bana bosoka lero yabara mukundana bosonga oyo simba oyo okoro kujogindo oyo osorogorai oyo mandu na into wana kurwese torwete twaonchokire nonya Kenya tabanga kitwaso yerese matiai ese takoya gara ngwanja mole namo ekyaro ono rocho mu president yese amosire mbrama butamuro chuna mente anaji goliye bibi golina na ndanga ba mentire na shilingi 50 uchigo nero mota toto tikara endero. Mimi najua wewe Mheshimiwa Rais ulikuja ukatembezwa huku Kisii, lakini nataka nikwambie nikizungumza leo kutoka Bobasi kaunti ya Kisii kwamba kwa sababu ya sera zako mbaya umeleta ile kitu inaitwa SHA ambayo haifanyi. Inafanya ama haifanyi? Na unasikia ninazungumza na wananchi kwa sababu wewe umeleta mateso, umeongeza mafuta shilingi 54 kwa wiki, kitu haijawahi kuonekana tangu Kenya ipate uhuru. Kwa sababu wewe ni mtu wa uongo, unakuja unaongea sana na uteni. Sisi kama jamii ya Kisii tunasema 2027 wewe ni one, na ule mtu ambaye tunakuwekea kwenye laini ya kunyoroshe anaitwa Dr. Fred Okengo. Sasa wacha niulize na wewe uone mheshimiwa, usidanganywe. Sisi tunakuambia ukweli kwamba jamii ya Kisii tumechoka na wewe. Sasa watu wa Bobasi ni waulize, muko na Dr. Ruto.
Omurai wense William Ruto ni oigereire gukina kwirigoria mafuta amatuko abwango igasa tebirayo igagenderete kwenekiwa ase Chinsa ao kubwatikana ne chisegi ekyo kigenderete kwenekiwa ase Chinsa chikoreta amafuta gukwana kurwa ase county ya Mombasa ase nyombo y'oburai bwense Ruto nigo aenekiri guchie kuyeria amafuta ya diesel a shilingi Ikomi ayo magega yo gwikerana okuigwana nabo gatani kurwa ase sector y'obosombi.
I have directed that in the pricing cycle, next pricing cycle, we are going to further reduce the price of diesel by a further 10 shillings for the June-July cycle to help stabilize pump prices and provide additional relief to consumers. Thirdly, through the government-to-government fuel supply framework, we have secured guaranteed fuel supplies despite global supply chain disruptions, ensuring uninterrupted fuel supply availability across the country. The arrangement has stabilized fuel pricing compared to the old spot market system, where prices fluctuated sharply every month. Before the G2G arrangement was introduced in 2023, oil importers faced intense pressure to secure US dollars within short timelines, driving rapid depreciation of the Kenya shilling and threatening fuel supply stability.
I would like to first start by apologizing to the country for the time that we went on strike. Hours, we said the vehicles stay at home, but we realized goons infiltrated and some maybe political interests came in and people lost their vehicles, people lost schools were vandalized and other institutions. That was not us, and that's why we saw it best to go for negotiations. And as a result of the negotiations, His Excellency has been kind enough to give us what we've cried for since independence.
We've called off the strike. We had suspended the strike, but we've called it off. So we will not have strike next week. We are going to work. As the transport sector, we are happy with what we've come up with, and we are going to support the government. The government belongs to us. We want to thank the governor of Nairobi because we know that the county of Nairobi lost a lot of money, and we agreed with him that we have to work together to make sure that everything is going to work.
ensi ya Kenya nigegenderete gusuka kurwa ekerenge kemuguchie kende asoko kiania gose ase okoene kibuna ibikoro bya basubati bakugonkera boiga bakubiro ngosiri bare obogima ngokeana bire aso kubwatira negati ya serikali nene serikali chechi county gukwara sigi karokia merongo 50 ne bire na kianda kia World Health Assembly mu waziri wa chenu Ade Nduale igaene kiribuna okubwatira nango chikondera kobao egati ya serikali nene serikali chechi county ase airaneirie abakora emirimo babachenu mbuyemono aso bokoreri bwabo bwokwene kebuna ebikoro bya basubati bakoyonkera boigo abakoiburwa gosira obugima ngokeana bire ime yense.
Maternal and newborn health remains now today in Kenya as one of the most important agenda, and it also remains as one of the clearest indicators of any resilient equity and strength and responsiveness of any health care system. The key indicators is maternal and newborn health for us. So every maternal death and every preventable newborn death for us as Kenya does not merely represent statistics, but a very profound human tragedy and a call to action. And that's why now in our country it's being driven by the highest level, which is the president. But we are very much committed, and we've made significant progress over the years in improving maternal and child health outcomes. And how have we done that? We have done that through serious investment in the primary health care, and also skilled birth attendants, making sure our emergency obstetric care, our immunization, our community health system, and our expanded health financing reforms are all in place. These are the pillars that will make sure that we deal with this very important matter.
In the role of the community health workers in reducing mortality rates and the role they play in auto MPDSR. It was not very unusual in Kenya to find a mother who is coming into contact with specialized medical care on the day of being admitted to the hospital. That for the 9 months, they did not attend any clinic. That was very common. But with the community health promoters now, they walk them through the journey from the time they realize that they have conceived to the time when they eventually go to the hospital. They attend all the prenatal clinics, which was not the case before. And you agree with me, a mother who has not attended any clinic is more likely to have complications compared to a mother who has not been attending any clinics. And for that reason, we've been able to use the community health promoters to ensure that we have reduced cases, also more births being reported, and also mothers giving birth in facilities.
Asense moyende ritikulia lero nigaba bwatani bonsi asobokoreri bwekigambiro ba umiranire eri okomurekera obokoreri bwabo na boigo gukwanira amangana ao ayuaganiri gwikiranirwa eri gotinya obokoreri bwekigambiro ime yense korengana no mubunge wensemo yebunge yembakasi East boigo mu wakili babo wino nigaruro kuboria guchiase ababwatani bonsi ase kigambiro kubwatirana na kweneke buno obokoreri bwobwene no bwasyo ku ase obokoreri bwabo.
As different stakeholders gathered here today, let us reflect on our core roles and expectations. If all of us would discharge our duties in whichever places and whatever times with diligence, then administration of justice would be flawless. Stakeholder teamwork is key to any meaningful productivity. As Abraham Lincoln once said, that you cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. By nature of our calling is in capacities, we are bound to experience temporary bottlenecks in the course of work. That does not make us enemies. It is both evil and immoral. The ticket of diversity to entrench culture, oppression, witch hunt, and professionalism and institutional arrogance. I have equally supported proper budgetary allocation to other stakeholders in this industry, like the National Police Service, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and the Office of the Attorney General, among others. As a representative of the people and your incoming governor in Nairobi, I must admit that there are fewer complaints about your stations too. This reflects efficiency in terms of leadership. This open door policy and spirit of constructive engagement must continue. To Honorable Kavetsa, I cannot thank you enough. Your name shall be presented in songs for the things you do for the vulnerable, the forgotten, and the less fortunate, who form the bulk of the consumers of your services. Always count on my support and my goodwill. My lady, your honors, perhaps in my other life, I would try theology as a profession and priesthood as a calling.
Serikali wetere wizara ya mache nigo yanikire bunekire ngakia yekenene asobora ibwa bono no kwene kibuna mache nkubekwara se Chinsa chonsi imeyense guika ebinyoro nemechie imeguika omwaka we chilifu 2023. Waziri wa mache engineer Eric Mugago kwana kurasa mucho Nairobi nigo airere buna serikali nigegendrete gwikirania amagendro awa sensemo ya mache buno bwagachi bwa mabwago asu kubwaterana na ababwata nibande kurwa ime na isiko yense as a sector ya match.
We are working towards Vision 2030, and we even developed a financing plan to ensure we develop and mobilize resources, and the target is the same as it is in the SDGs: 100% connectivity to water and sanitation, and also provide hygienic. It is both an economic and a social and also a constitutional right. The resources we are developing in the ministry, developing large dams like Mwache that is now and above complete. And now we also start programs with the Africa Development Bank and other financing facilities. We're also getting support from the Exchequer. All this is to amalgamate and ensure that we achieve the SDG on water is basic. But we also have a challenge because most people assume water is free. And I've been telling fellow friends and fellow Kenyans that water is free when it's in the river. But even in that river, there is about catchment conservation to ensure that the river is flowing constantly. But conveying that water from the river, having it treated, and then conveyed thousands and hundreds of kilometers away, the cost of that system for that water to find you at the comfort of thy home as a cost component to it. Operations and maintenance become key. Otherwise, the value of the infrastructure we have put will just dilapidate and there will be no salvage value for it. We are looking forward now to collaborate with the Western University in Chicago and develop maybe a collaborative framework, say maybe an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, to ensure that the professors there exchange notes with the State Department. Then we champion this. And as we take metrics, because WASREB, the regulator, the Water Services Regulatory Board, has a responsibility to produce a report every year telling Kenyans on how far, level of connection, percent of accessibility, but also maybe incorporate a percentage of how they feel, how Kenyans feel. And those 12 questions of the WISE can be part and parcel of deep diving and digesting further and getting more information on the actual experiences of the consumers or the citizens or Kenyans ama Wanjiko ambaye ni mwananchi tunatumikia katika maisha yetu.
Yamano asoko bwatia mayase nchira yo bwenge ye Chinsa Ikomi na gwekera bano tuwekera omwerio ense ya mwene Chinsa isato Clinton ondigi na chuko yaretera asenchira Ikira nugendera gotengera merubirinde yatikira somogoroba obono gwikiria nkyo elietariane Ishmael Mogere.